Hey everybody, it's Neil and check out what I got here. This is a gift for a child, but you can see it is a volcanic eruption, TOYSXYIN. Okay, so let's check out all the pieces and parts we get in here. We have a bunch of dinosaurs. Check out these here. These are kind of little plastic dinosaurs. I'll show you all those in a second. And then I'll show you the volcano here. So here's our volcano. And so I'll close this up and we'll assemble it on top. So we'll open it up. All our pieces and parts are in here. Okay, so there, now our volcano is empty. And okay, I'm gonna show you it here for a second. This is the volcano here. And you can see it's smoking. Do you see the smoke? Hopefully you can. It's smoking out there, and the way it smokes is, I'm just gonna turn off the sound there. The way it smokes is you put a little dropper, you have this, a little dropper of water. You watch, see, I put that in there, and then it starts to smoke out of it. So it's just doing like humidifying the air. So that's it. We have the button here for the light and smoke, I think, and then this one here plays some songs as well. So let's see, and then I don't know what this is here. I think this might be the volume for the smoke. Okay, but you can just see we have these dinosaurs. So this is 1, 2, and they can climb all over the volcano, however you want to assemble them. We have a couple of trees as well. So we can put some trees out there. And then we have these I'll just go through all the different animals here. There's this one here, this one here, and here. These are very cool. This guy, this one here, and this one here. And so, one more. This one right there. Oh, it's a brontosaurus, I think that one. Oh, there, you can see it's smoking again. It just smokes every once in a while. Kind of does that as it's going. And then you can push, so this one here is the light, and then this one here is to play the song. And so it plays a little song, and then it plays stuff like that too. So it's really cool. So it's a whole play set with dinosaurs and smoke and everything, and very cool. So I like it. I like the way it smokes. Put some more in there. This is just water. Oh. So super cool set. Thumbs up, very fun.